In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple website using only CSS and HTML. I won't be using any complicated. For now, I'll be saying only the basic thing of how to design using basic HTML and CSS. In this, I'll be using this hover effect. I'll be using this background, and I'll be fixing this. And there will be a opacity the image, and there will be a hovering effect. Okay, let's start. First, I'll be doing the basic thing here. I won't be doing the complex thing. First, you need to make an HTML and a head, and you need to make a title. That is, you can say food website panda. Say panda. This is the title of your website. And next thing you need to do is you need to put your CSS, link the CSS. So let's link the CSS. Link you need to link your CSS. You need to link your index and the CSS. So you need to put this statement. It's a relation. It's a style sheet. What? It's a text. It's a type text CSS. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do in every website. You need to link your index HTML and your style.css with this command. After this, let's make the header. Or you can do like this, or you can just, you don't need to do any complex thing. You can just do header, and after header, you need to make a hero. Let's say it's a hero. Inside the hero, you need to put your text. So text. Let's say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Order food from us. So this is the H1 text. So let's see the preview. So you have put your title here, and you have put your H1 text here. You need to bring this one here. In order to do this, you need to link. You need to start with your CSS. So let's start with CSS. So let's go to start CSS. For every website, you need to put your margin 0, 18, 0. Yes, and you need to put your body. I'll use the font family as Tuhamo. Yes. After this, you need to see, this is the class. You need to bring, this is the class, right? So you need to, let's assume that there is one container. This is the thing. Don't bring the text, bring the box. This is the box. You need to bring the box in the center. So target the box first. Let's target the box. Hero, position absolute. You need to use absolute when you want to move the any position up and down. So let's use white. My width of my laptop is 1600 pixel. It's 1600 pixel, and I need to move top 50%. From here, using 50%, and left. If you want to do any centering, always use this method. You need to bring the left. Let's check. So actually, this is the center point of my screen. This is the center point. So what I need to do is I need to bring this one around here. So for that, I need to use transform, translate, minus 70% to 50%. Let's say minus 50%. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So this is the exact size of screen. So by using minus 50 and minus 50, it will make your container to be positioned at your desired position here. So first you need to make, so you want to put this thing down. In order to do this, you need to put the BR tag, good morning, put BR tag here and check. Yes, it goes down. Okay, this is perfect. Come on, now let's put some images on the header. This is the header, right? This is the header. This white screen is the header, and this is the hero box, and this is the hero text. So let's put the image on the header. This is my header. Okay, header container. You can say it's a container or anything you can say. So let's put header. You need to put a background image. Background image. You can link your image. I put in the images. So yeah, let's see. In order it won't be complicated, you need to put the height. Let's say you want, let's say full white. Yeah, so we put 100 height. Okay, background image height, header background height. Actually it should be coming out, but I don't know why it is not coming out. I think save. I forgot to save the thing. Still it's not coming out. Might be I didn't actually I don't have image file. Better, let's see it here. Actually I should not use this. See, when we use any parents never use dot. So this is it. But the image is very large and it's not, we are not getting what we are expected to get. So in order to do this, you need to position the image in the center. You need to background positions. We put background positions. You need to position the image in the center. After that, After that, you need to, yeah. Let's see. It's already in center, but you need to make it cover all the screen. Background size. Background size. Cover. Yeah. Now it will cover the, yes. It have covered the screen, right? Okay. Now it's covering the screen. The next step you need to do is you want to put the opacity or anything. In order to do this, I use this method. I use the linear gradient. This is the image for Panda. Okay. RGBA 0.7 RGBA 0.7. Let's see. Okay, we are getting the gradient here. Don't worry, the text is still here. So we have completed the header section. Let's make the text more distinct. Okay, so we want to style the good morning. So then put a span and style color. Let's say I want to use orange. Font size 30 pixel. Letter spacing, let's say I want to use 1 pixel. Let's see. I haven't saved. Okay, actually we are not getting what we are expecting to get. We can just do from inspect. You can just use color, orange, font size 30 pixel, let's say 50 pixel. Oh my god, 50 pixel, 50 pixel, font weight, bold, letter spacing, 1 pixel, font family, we can use sans serif. You can do like this, and you can just copy the thing here. Yes. After this, you need to make it white again. So this is h1, yes, h1 h1.0. We can just say h1. Margin 0 2. Okay, so after this you need to main name float, right? You need to float the right side. Yeah, it's floating on the right side, and you need to remove this one, right? The line, this tab, none. This tab, it removes the bullets point. Okay, so now what we need to do is main nav li. Let's display all the li into a block, display block, display. We should use inline block. Okay, it's coming out. After that, you need to bring what we have to say, the margin. There is no spaces, so let's put some space in the li. Space, margin left, let's say margin left 20 pixel. Okay, this is nice. Now there's 20 pixel. Come on, now let's change the main nav li, the color, let's say for now let's change to white. Okay, now it's white. But what did I just press? Main nav, what did I press? Main nav, main nav li color. Let's change the color first. Color white. Okay. Let's remove the what's that, text decoration none. Okay, let's say font size 2. Yeah, this is perfect. 90%, let's say 90%. Normal 90%. After this, let's change to font weight. Let's change the weight, right? Let's say, let's put as bold. Okay, this is going nice. So we need to bring this here. So target the left. Target this one. Yeah, you need to target this one so that you can bring down. So go to left and here margin top. Margin top. How much you want to 40? Let's say 42. Let's say 150. Too much. 100. 80. 870. This is nice. 70 pixel. Okay, we have done this. Okay, so let's put the hovering effect. Right, let's target the A. Yes, put hover effect. Hover. When you hover, you want to make the color of the text to orange color. Okay, orange. Okay, this is good. Next, you want to make the border bottom, right? 2 pixel solid orange. Let's check. There's orange, but it's very fast, so let's put some transition. You can use padding. Let's check. Yeah, you can use some padding to put some spaces, but the transition is so fast, so let's put transitions all let's say 1.5 second is in. This will slow the transition effect. Yes, but I think something's wrong with the transition. Yeah, it's coming. It's targeting this one. Let's put 0. Top and bottom 0. Left and right 0. Yeah. This means that this is the top and bottom, left and right. So it will target only the top and bottom, and there will be a transition effect. See how wonderful it is. Now let's put the logo. You can put text or logo, anything. So let's header. Let's put on logo. Let's put logo. Let's put H1 panda. Let's put some class logo text. Okay, this is the thing. So we need to first center this panda here. In order to do this, we need to float to the right side so that it can come with the same this one position. So let's float the logo. Let's float the logo to right side. Logo float left. Okay, and the logo floating. Let's put some margin, but margin top. Let's put 60 pixel right on the same size. Margin left. Yeah. Now it's become perfect. You can change the size of the logo by targeting the class logo text. Logo text. Logo text. Let's say font size. Font size 50 to 30 pixels. No. Font weight. And that. Let's put like 50. This one. Oh, this is too big, I guess. 40. And put the color. Shit. I'm putting on the wrong color. Oh yes. This is not nice. White smoke. Okay, we have put the text, everything. Let's check. Yes, it's still looking beautiful. Yes. Now let's put the button. Let's put 2 buttons here. So inside the hero text, let's put button class as button. You can, for any class, you can just put the shortcut as .btn and press tab. Just make button. And it should be a link, so href class button should be the command button 1, command name button 1. Let's say order, no, not order. Click now. Let's say click now. After this, put this one as button 2, because we are going to put some hovering effect. So order now. Click now. Okay, so let's design the button. Button. Let's put some border 2 pixels solid orange, right? Let's put orange for border. After that, let's put some padding. No, let's put some color white. Okay. Let's put some padding. 10 pixels. Okay, let's put padding both left and right. Okay, let's put like 30. Okay, this it should be text decoration. It is a line, none. Font size, let's put 15 pixels. So actually top 30, it means from here to here. So target the, in order to bring more down, you need to target the button B root here. Okay, B root on button. Put some value at the top, 150. I mean 80, 40. Yes, 40 pixel. 40 pixel. This is nice. Let's put 30. Okay, this is looking nice. Okay, after putting 30, now let's animate the buttons. So it was button 1, background orange, border radius 10 pixel, border radius 10 pixel. Okay, and I need to put something here because there is no space here, so put some margin right, 10 pixel. Yeah, it's looking nice. Border radius 10 pixels, or you can put also border radius. You don't need to put here, you can put in the command border radius 10 pixels. Okay, next, this is done. Let's animate number 2, hover. When you hover, the background should be orange, color text be white. But the transition is becoming so fast, so put some transition all. Let's put 0.5 second. Please in there, not transition. I'll put this. Voila, now it's done. Okay, now you can even fix the background. And see, the background is fixed, right? So and it's not fixed. So I'll fix the background, and when I scroll, the image will be fixed. So in order to do this, you need to target the header, because it's header image. Target the header. Yes. It's a background attachment. Background attachment. Yes. Fix. You need to put fix. Okay. Once you do this, see, the background is fixed. So guys, in this tutorial I have taught you how to make a simple front layout without using any bootstrap, by using only pure CSS and HTML. Thank you guys, please subscribe.